Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Steve. Hey, in this upcoming series of videos, I just want to show you what you can do with some basic skills, some basic tools, and just solid fundamentals. So what I've chosen is I've got the Tamiya Stug IV. If you've been in a hobby shop, you've seen this on the shelf, and it's a pretty reasonably priced kit, and it goes together pretty well. I mean, it's an older kit, so it doesn't have all the bells and whistles, which I think for my purposes for this series is probably good. I want to aim this at just the casual modeler or the beginner who may be intimidated by what they've seen on the internet, because there's a lot of great modelers out there. There are people who've been doing this for years, and honestly, everybody started somewhere. You can go, I still have my first kit I built, 30 years ago, and I can see a vast improvement. The internet's a great place. There's some great modelers out there, but like I said, we all start somewhere. So let me know in the comments what you think of this idea and what you think is a good starter kit. But stay tuned. There's more coming, and you guys enjoy the day. Thank you.